my like for them to color my judgmental processes to do what is wrong. And I laid out certain criteria to become pundits. And I said, let the criteria be that which makes me choose dharma. And if you satisfy the criteria, then we will certify you. If you do not satisfy the criteria, then we cannot certify you. My liking you doesn't certify you. My disliking you doesn't push you away. It is possible that some people may have satisfied the criteria, but because I dislike them in my heart, I said, no, you cannot have a certificate. So you and I, as we entertain and cherish our desires, must be freed from the duality of like and dislike, and must allow dharma to set the criteria that people need to satisfy. But this can only happen when we pursue that with knowledge. Dharma is the truth that we understand in our heart. As I push off Devin from the stage, I know in my heart that Devin plays very well. But because I don't like Devin, I'm pushing him off the stage. But dharma is in my heart. My soul has the ability to recognize what is right and what is wrong. My soul has the ability to understand what is truthful and what is untruthful. It is the truth that I understand that will be or should be my dharma. But the sense of stubbornness in my ego pushes dharma away and allows the agenda of my ego to assert itself. Dharma is the standard we follow in life that is connected to our soul. Prajahati. Can you look on the screen, clasp your palms? This is now the summary of it all. Would you kindly say Prajahati? Say that.
Prajahati.
Yada kaman.
Yada kaman.
Sarvan.
Sarvan.
Partha.
Partha.
Manogatan. Now the other one is a little tongue twister. Listen carefully. Atmanyeva. Say that.
Atmanyeva.
Now I'll do the whole word. Listen. Atmanyevatmana.
Atmanyevatmana.
Very well said. Now I'll do the whole line. Listen. Atmanyevatmana tushtaha. Say that. Atmanyevatmana
tushtaha.
Sthita prajyastaduchyate.
Sthita prajyastaduchyate.
Can I please beg you again with your nice sweet voice, would you read the blue in both sections? Begin when? When a man gives up all desires that disturb his mind. Stop. You let me go to Mandir today and let me see Shiv. I'll turn my face away from him. I would not talk to him. Desire, but it disturbs my mind. You let me see Pandita Indravati on the Vedi today. I'll tell her off. Desire, but it throws my mind in tantrum and convulsion. When a man or a woman, a person, when a man gives up all desires that disturb his mind, and when he's satisfied with his own soul, what? Establishing God. Watch me. Take your soul away from Shiv. Take your soul away from Indravati and Devin, and put your soul in God. How do you do that, Bhai Satish? Sing His praises. एक बार भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यतन कर ले, छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण, प्रभु का स्मरण कर ले, एक बार भजन कर ले. Sing praises to God. Watch me. You sing praises of the sidekick, what you call that cell phone. That's what will color your mind. You'll start see everything through the prism of that sidekick telephone. Whatever praises you sing, or to whichever object you sing the praise, that's the prism that will possess a certain color through which you will see the entire world. Stop seeing the world through colored prisms. The world is colorless. You add on the color. Start seeing the world through God. When a person gives up all desires that disturb his mind, and when he's satisfied with his soul established in God, then he is called a man, a woman, a person of tranquil what? Wisdom. Karo hari naiya मेरी पार, तुम बिन कौन बचावन हार, यह जग पारावार। करो हरि नैया मेरी पार, तुम बिन कौन बचावन हार, यह जग पारावार। करो हरि। Take my boat across to the other side of the river. Oh Lord, without you, who can save my boat? I filled my boat with desires that are weighing my boat down. Oh God, I filled my boat. Here is the boat. Here it is. And I filled my boat with so many unrealistic desires, so many excessively uncontrollable desires. My boat is ready to weigh down and can be caught in the midstream whirlpool that can sink me, Master. Take me across. Sing with me, all of you. करो हरि नैया मेरी पार, तुम बिन कौन बचावन हार, यह जग पारावार। करो हरि नैया। पाप प्रलोभन इंजन भगवन, खींच करी मझधार। पाप प्रलोभन इंजन भगवन, खींच करी मझधार। मन के वट माया के मद में घेरा पांच मकार। ढीली पड़ी सूरत की डोरी, स्वामिन तुम है बिसार, स्वामिन तुम है बिसार। करो हरि नैया। Read for me. Hold the music. Read for me, everybody, the engine of my boat. Let me hear you. The engine of my boat. My mind. The engine of my boat. My mind. The engine of my boat is caught up in the entangling weeds of sinful desires and tempting desires. My boat is now dragged into the midstream current and is spinning endlessly out of control instead of progressing forward. The mind that rows my boat is itself saturated in pleasures, unmindful of the urgency to row with speed. Lord, because the connections to your balancing love have become loose. Watch this. The connections to your balancing love have become loose. Today I worship you. I come to Monday next 6 weeks. I come today, I feel all holy.